Hey everyone, in this video we are going to study how to do the graphs, draw the graphs, distance time graph, velocity time graph and acceleration time graph as well. So before starting with that, um, let us see first the motion of a body. Suppose we have a body here, it's a car. If we have a body and it's moving with constant velocity, then it stops. It stops for some time. That is, it's at rest. It's not moving. Then suddenly it accelerates to move. It accelerates suddenly to move. And then it moves with constant velocity. Then it goes back to original position where it was. Replay. It moves with constant velocity. Then it stops for some time. That is, it's at rest. Then it suddenly accelerates. And then it moves with constant velocity, then it slows down and it moves backward back to its original position where it was. Okay, we are going to draw first its distance time graph. Out of these three, distance, velocity and acceleration time graph, if you remember at least one of them, then it will be very easier for you to draw the other remaining graphs. Okay, so let's see our little car's journey. It moved with constant velocity. So in distance time graph, we represent constant velocity by this line. You remember this line, which these lines represent and what exactly. And it moved with constant velocity. Then it was rest for some time. We represent rest like this in distance time graph. Then it accelerated for some time. It accelerated, then moved with constant velocity. Then it slowed down and it goes back to original position. It went back to original position. This was the distance time graph of a car. Now from this distance time graph we are going to draw its velocity time graph. All three are different. So now velocity time graph. Velocity was constant first. In velocity time graph we draw the constant by sleeping line. We represent it by sleeping line. I'm sorry, forgive me for that. Okay, then it was at rest for some time. It was at rest. Then it accelerated and its velocity increased. Its velocity increased, right? After rest, it accelerated for some time and its velocity increased. Then it was again constant velocity. It moved with constant velocity. Then it slowed down. It slowed down here. Remember this. It slowed down here, so slowed. It slowed down here, then its velocity became 0 and then it went back to original position. So it turned around, we'll take it negative, and then again went back to original position with the